Children, listen. This is chapter number 5, continuity and differentiability. 5.7 introduction. Let's see. 5.7 introduction. What na? Second order derivative. So second order derivative means very simple. Double time we have to differentiate whatever is given. Very simple. Generally, they will be giving f of x. We'll take y is equal to f of x. I'm right. This is let y equal to f of x. If you are taking na, suppose if you are differentiating with respect to x on both sides, now you will be getting dy divided by dx, which is equal to f dash of x. Will be telling. So that listen carefully. The dy by dx we can mention in many ways. One dy by dx. Another one f dash of x. Another one d capital D base y. Another one y base 1 you can give 1. Okay. Another one y dash. See, this is dash, not 1. Okay, not 1, dash we have to give, dash. So y dash. So like that ways you can use for mentioning the first derivative. Again, if you differentiate with respect to x, what I am getting, that you see. So that derivative of d square y divided by dx square. Listen, here I am giving for d square. In down I am giving for x square. Okay. Why sir we are giving like this now? Generally derivative now will be mentioned like this. Am I right? So that dy divided by dx na, dx we have a twice. So that denominator dx is square. But d only we have a twice, y is not a twice. So that d square y. Like that I am mentioning. Is it understand? Be careful. If you are giving here a dy whole dy square na wrong. D square y only you should mention when you mention double derivative. Be careful. Right, fine. Now, what about f? F na f double dash of x, and this one d square they will mention. D square base y, and here y1 means y2 they will mention. Y2, y base 2 na double derivative meaning, and y double derivative na y double dash we have to give. Y double dash. So these many ways we have to mention the derivatives. Okay, first derivative how you will be mentioned, second derivative how they will be mentioning. So second derivative only we are going to see. Second derivative na very simple. Again, once again we have to differentiate the derivative. That's it. Very simple. This is you should write. And next page 5.7 exercise we are starting. Next 5.7 we are moving. Ma, you should write this page also I said. Okay, this is the introduction. 5.7 what now? Find the second order derivatives of the function given in exercise 1 to 10. From question number 1 to 10, we should write the double derivatives. So that first I am taking a question number 1, y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Children, generally equal to something is not given. Children, listen, equal to something is not given. You take y equal to what? Something. The whole question you take y equal to or f of x is equal to anything. Okay. Here equal to nothing is there, so that I am taking y equal. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So that dy divided by dx. What about x square derivative? X square derivative what? 2x. What about 3x derivative? 3 into x derivative 1. Constant 2 derivative what? 0. Now this will be what? 2x. 3 ones are 3. This is what? Dy divided by dx. Not it over. Again differentiate with respect to x. So that you will be getting d square y divided by dx square, which is equal to 2 into x derivative what? 1 plus 3 derivative what? 0. So 2 into 1 2. That's it. Over. And second question. If I am taking y equal to x power 20, this one you have to differentiate double time. Very simple. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides, so that dy divided by dx is equal to 20 will be coming down. The formula what I am using here, derivative of x power n. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. That formula I am using. Very simple. Okay. Right. Now 20 will be coming down, x power 20 minus 1, that is 19 also you can write if you want, x power 19 you can write. That is first derivative. Again when you differentiate, what I am getting pa? Again when you differentiate with respect to x, d square y divided by dx square is equal to 20 multiply constant, let it be x power 19. When you differentiate 19 into x power 18 you will be getting. So that 19 twos are what ma? 19 twos are 38 10. So that 380 x power 18 is our required double derivative answer. Okay. Next third one, y equal to, I'm taking let y equal to x cos x. X cos x. Okay. So UV formula I'm going to use here. UV formula. This is a u. This is a v. So that uv derivative is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. Formula I'm going to use for this. Okay. Now, yes. Y when I differentiate dy divided by dx, and x is the u, x is the u, so that u dash na x derivative 1, v means cos x you should write as it is plus. Now u let it be v dash, u means x, let it be cos derivative minus sin x, that's it ma. Now 1 into cos x minus x into sin x I'm getting. Okay. Now this is what? dy divided by dx. Again we have to differentiate, double derivative na. One more time we have to differentiate na. So that I'm doing that, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that this side I'm getting, left hand side d square y divided by dx square, cos derivative what na? Minus sin x, minus is common here. Again uv formula. Okay. Again uv formula. So x is a u, a minus I mentioned commonly outside, and v, sin is a v. Okay. Right. Now let it be. So minus we have outside commonly, I said x derivative 1, sin derivative, sin let it be as it is, because as per the formula u dash v, u we have to differentiate, v we should write as it is. V means sin, let it be as it is. Already I did u dash plus. Now u means x, let it be as it is. Sin derivative what na? Cos x. Sin derivative what na? Cos x. So take the negative, multiply inside, what I am getting? Minus sin x. Minus when you multiply inside, again minus sin x, minus x into cos x. Okay. So that minus sign na, minus 2 times sin x. Have you noticed this is what? This is what? What it is the? Question. What it is ma? Question. So that you can write y, or else let it be as it is, not an issue. If you want to take minus, you can take outside commonly. Minus if you take na, 2 sin x plus x cos x. That's it. This is our final answer for a double derivative of third one. Question number 3. Is it understand pa? Okay. Is it okay ma? Boy side, have you understand double derivative is na? Yes. Just double time if you do, you will be getting very easy work. Next, yes, log x. Have you done this page? Can I wait half an hour? Yes, sir. That is what I know your mind. Within 10-minute period getting over, but you people telling half an hour I want. Dannama Mogana, completed. For Mogana, I want to wait half an hour. Max leader, what about you? Writing. Yes, Purvika. Max leader Purvika. Okay, pa. Write fast, Paraja. Shall we go, pa? Done. Ma, next 4, 5, 6 pa. Okay, first fourth one, y is equal to log x. I'm taking question as y. Okay, log x when I differentiate what pa? Derivative of log x what ra? I'm not getting derivative of log x what I asked. 1 by x. Derivative of log x what ma? 1 divided by x. Again you differentiate. Again you differentiate what I am getting. Again when you differentiate with respect to x na, d square y divided by dx square. 1 by x derivative formula and all I gave. Listen. Here I used derivative of log x formula. Derivative of log x you said 1 divided by x. Okay, in since you write children. And for this also in since derivative of 1 by x also I gave formula in beginning. What is that? Minus 1 divided by x square. This is the formula. Formula if you know very well, very easily you can survive. That's it. That's it over. Two formula we are using directly. And question number 5. 5 you take as a y x cube into log x. So that here uv derivative formula you should use. So derivative of uv u dash v plus u v dash is the formula. Here I'm taking this is u log x as a v. That's it. Let's go here. So that differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Na y when I differentiate dy divided by dx is equal to first u dash. First what we have u dash then v. U dash na x cube. X cube when I differentiate 3 x square. U dash v. V means log x we have to write as it is. Log x we have to write as it is. Plus u v dash. U v dash. U means x cube you write as it is. V dash na log x we have to differentiate. Log x derivative I gave already 1 by x. So that 1 divided by x I'm getting. Very simple. That's it. Whatever possible to cancel, do it. 1x here if you cancel 2 is the remaining. Then we'll go here directly. What is that? 3x square. What is that? Log x plus x square. Children, if you want to take log, x square commonly outside you take, then apply the derivative. No, sir, I will go directly. Not an issue. That is also you can do. I'm doing directly, children. I'm not taking x square commonly outside because this is not a final answer. Then why I won't take? Let it be directly. Okay, right. So that, but you want to go again. This is a u. This is 3x square as a u. Log x I'm taking as a v. Kindly mention in pencil whatever I mentioned there. So again differentiate. In red color whatever I'm mentioning, kindly mention by pencil bar. With respect to x, so what I'm getting again differentiate with respect to x na d square y divided by dx square. Again u dash na 3 let it be x square derivative 2x log x we have to write it as it is because this is u dash, this is v. So u dash v I mentioned. Okay, plus u let it be means 3x square let it be log x when I differentiate 1 by x, that's it, plus x square derivative 2x. X square derivative what ma? 2x. So anything possible to cancel, I do it. 1x is cancelled. Remaining whatever I have that you write, children. 3 2s are 6x into log x plus 3x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x what va? Yes, 5x. So x if you want to take outside you can take, or let it be x I'm taking. X if I'm taking outside na 6 log x plus 5 you can write. That's it. Either first one or second one is your final answer. Okay, right. The last question. This is also uv. Y equal to e power x into sine 5x. Have you remember uv derivative here? Here itself I mentioned. Okay, so that uv derivative formula. So e power x I'm taking u, sine 5x I'm taking as a v. Then we'll go differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Y when I differentiate dy divided by dx, what is that u dash na e power x. E power x derivative what pa? Yes, e power x itself. And v means sine 5x you write as it is. Sine 5x you write as it is plus. Okay, plus now now what is that? E power x let it be sine 5x when I differentiate cos 5x, okay, into 5x when I differentiate 5 into 1, that is 5 you will be getting. That's it. Okay, ma. E power x I'm taking commonly outside, ma. So that sin 5x plus cos 5x. Sorry, 5 into cos 5x. 5 into cos 5x. Sir, here also we had a comment, but you didn't take, sir. Why you taking here e power x common? Like that you may feel. Actually, if you're not taking now, here you want to use the product rule, here also you want to use product rule. Instead of using double time product rule, if you take e power x outside now, one time product rule you can use. That is what. Okay. So this is now dy divided by dx bar. Now again if you differentiate, on both side, what I am getting, this is my u, this is fully as a v. So that d square y divided by dx square, e power x when I differentiate e power x da, so sin 5x, 5 into cos 5x let it be, because this is u dash, this is v as it is, okay, plus e power x let it be as it is. Now v dash means inside the bracket you have to differentiate. Sin derivative what? Cos 5x multiply 5x when you differentiate 5 you will be getting. Okay. Like that 5 let it be here as it is. Cos 5x when you differentiate minus sin 5x. 5x when you differentiate 5 you will be getting. That's it. So when you take e power x again outside, what I am getting here sin 5x, 5 cos 5x. Now 5 into cos 5x, 5 into cos 5x, 5 5s are 25 minus 25 sin 5x. Okay, we have to simplify this. So what I am getting, let's see, what is the 25 sin 5x, okay. So is there anything possible to cancel or subtract, add, do it, ma. So e power x sin 5x, this one when you do, what I am getting 24, but this together you can add 10 cos 5x minus 24 sin 5x. That's it, pa. This is our final answer for a sixth one. For next question number 7, pa. Seventh one, y equal to e power 6x cos 3x. So this is a uv formula we have to use, ma. Okay, this is a u, this is a v. So that uv whole dash is equal to u dash v plus u v dash formula we are going to use. Right, fine. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides now. Y derivative dy by dx bar. U dash means 6 power ax. Listen. Derivative of 6 power ax. Derivative of e power ax. Sorry. E power ax na. E power ax into a you will be getting. Instead of a we have a 6. That's it. Like that. Even for cos also same manner. Cos derivative what? Minus sin ilya. But x when you differentiate, that a will be coming as it is, but instead of a what we have? 6 3 cos 3x, right. uv in the sense first u dash na 6 e power 6x derivative e power 6x into 6 as it is. Okay, now v means cos 3x, let it be as it is, plus u v dash, u means e power 6x you write as it is, into v dash na cos 3x we have to differentiate. Cos 3 when you differentiate minus sin 3x, 3x when you differentiate into 3 you will be getting. Now what I am getting, e power 6x when I take outside, 6 cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x I am getting. That's it. Now this is dy divided by dx. So we have to find double derivative na. So that again I am going to differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that d square y divided by dx square you will be getting. So again this will be u. The whole things I am taking as a v term. Okay. So that u dash na e power 6x derivative e power 6x into 6. Now v you should write as it is, don't change anything. 6 cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x, okay, plus u let it be as it is, means 6 e power 6x, let it be as it is. Now inside the bracket you have to differentiate. Okay, so my what is the sin cos derivative minus minus 6, let it be cos derivative minus sin, minus already I gave, so that sin 3x you will be getting sin 3x into 3x, when you differentiate 3 you will be getting. Okay, right, minus 3 let it be sin derivative cos x, sin derivative cos x into 3x, when I differentiate 3 you will be getting. That's it. Okay, now again e power 6x, if I take outside commonly, what I am getting here, the 6 you multiply inside, 6 you multiply inside, what I am getting, let's see now. Okay, what I am getting, 6 6 are 36 cos 3x minus 6 3 are 18 sin 3x. Now e power 6x, if you take outside now, minus 6 sin 3x, sorry, not only minus 6, even 3 also is there, so the 6 3s are 18, so that minus 18 sin 3x, and 3 3s are 9, so that minus 9, what I'm getting, minus 9 cos 3x. Okay, that's it. So this is after taking e power 3x outside I have, understand. Now if you simplify this, what I'm getting, let's see, e power 6x we have 36 cos 3x minus 9 cos 3x. From 36 if you remove 9, what I'm getting, 27 cos 3x. Both are negative, minus 18 minus 18, what you will be writing then, minus 36, minus 36 sin 3x. So you can stop here, or else from both you can take 9 outside. Okay, if you want to take 9 you can take outside, so that 9 if you take outside now, 9 e power 6x into, what is the 3 cos 3x minus 4 sin 3x. That's it. Okay, this is your final answer. Understand? We understand pa 7th one answer. For next 8th one we are moving. Next 8th one, y is equal to tan inverse x. So you can differentiate tan directly. Okay, I mean tan inverse x directly you can differentiate, or else tan you can bring this side also, means opposite side you can bring, you can do, that is also one of the idea, but I am going to differentiate directly. So differentiate with respect to x, y, when I differentiate dy divided by dx, tan inverse formula we know 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x derivative formula 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Again if you differentiate with respect to x on both side, what I am getting here, you will be getting d square y divided by dx square equal to we have to use u divided by v formula, u divided by v quotient rule formula, v square u dash v minus u v dash. So this is the formula I'm going to use for this. So the denominator, what I'm getting, 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, now u dash in the sense, u value what here, 1, so 1 derivative 0 into 1 plus x square minus u means 1, let it be, v dash na denominator we have to differentiate, 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x, that's it. So 0 into anything 0, leave it, minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square, that's it. This is our double derivative answer. Okay, like this also you can give. And ninth one, y equal to log of log x. this one, ninth one, I'm taking log of log x. Log of log x. Log derivative, you know what, Paraja? 1 divided by x. So differentiate with respect to x. Here logarithmic derivative. Derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 divided by x. That formula you must know. But here we have a double log. Means 1 log when you differentiate 1 divided by you will be getting. Y derivative dy by dx. First log when you differentiate 1 divided by this whole means log x. Okay, multiply. First log derivative only this. Inside second log we have to differentiate. So second log when you differentiate 1 divided by x into x derivative answer 1. Like that you have to continue. Like a chain rule. Okay. Be careful here. So that what I am getting 1 divided by x into log x. X into log x. What I am getting dy by dx. That's it. X into log x. Again you have to differentiate. Again you have to differentiate. Again you have to differentiate with respect to x. Children, this is look like a listen derivative of 1 divided by x what ma minus 1 divided by x square, but instead of x this whole you want to consider 1 divided by the whole when you differentiate minus 1 by the whole x square. Okay, so that is I'm going to do. So when you differentiate d square y divided by dx square minus 1 divided by x into log x whole square, or else you can use u by v formula also you can use. What my dear? U by v derivative formula also you can use, not an issue, but I'm using directly here. So this formula minus 1 by x square, x means the whole, so that the whole square you have to mention. Okay, minus 1 by. Later you have to differentiate even denominator also. Denominator what? It look like a uv, so that u means x, x derivative 1 into log x, let it be as it is, plus x keep it as it is. Log when you differentiate you will be getting 1 by x. You will be getting 1 divided by x. Now see children, so denominator x, numerator x cancel. So what I am getting then? Minus log x divided by x into log x whole square. X into log x whole square. So that whole square na, the square is common for both x and log x na. That you can apply separately, because one log x you can cancel. So that x square into log x whole square, because square is common for both x as well as log. So one log if you cancel, one log x if you cancel, what is my answer pa? What is my answer? Minus 1 divided by x square into log x. X square into log x. That's it. Is it understand? So all the 7, 8, 9 is over. Next we will go. Before that, write fast pa. Write fast. So sorry, children. Ninth one there is a mistake. What I did, this one I missed. After cancelling 1 plus 1 we didn't count. So sorry. Wait, just a minute. Yeah. The 1 will be coming as it is. Power and all will not cancel. Plus 1. That's it. Okay. This minus is common for both. Then that's it. We cannot cancel anything. Then minus of log x plus 1 whole divided by x square log x. Then denominator don't want to apply separately. Like a previous step, what we have mentioned, x log x. Why I mentioned separate to cancel the log. But now don't want to cancel, let it be as it is. Is that question number 10? Sine of log x. First of all, you take the given one as a y. Sine of log x. Still log x only they asked to find double derivative, right? Double derivative they asked, no? till question number 10. Yes. Find the second order derivative till question number 10 they asked. So the 10th one only we are now. Okay. So 10th one we have to find a double derivative. Right. So again we have to differentiate directly with respect to x on both sides. So y when I differentiate dy divided by dx is equal to what is derivative of sine pa? Cos. Cos. But instead of angle we have a log x. That angle and all you have to mention as it is. Derivative of sine cos. Okay. Later this angle also you have to differentiate. Now derivative of log what ma? 1 divided by x. Now derivative of x what ma? 1. Like that you have to do carefully. Okay. Be careful. Sine derivative cos, log derivative 1 by x, x derivative 1. Like that I have done step by step. I hope you people understand this. Next let's simplify this. What is that? Log of cos x divided by x. So that dy divided by dx, which is in the form of u by v. So that when you use a double derivative, you should use this formula. Okay. Quotient rule formula you should use. So what is that? Numerator is the v, denominator is numerator is the u, denominator is the v. So again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that d square y divided by dx square is equal to, so x we have to square. Okay. Numerator what? U dash v. X when I first u dash na, u means numerator. Cos when I differentiate minus sine of log x into log when I differentiate 1 by x. X when I differentiate 1 leave it. Then v we have tried. V means what? X. V means what? X we have tried. Formula minus. Then u. U means what ma? Cos of log x. Okay. Into v dash. V dash na x you have to differentiate. X only v na. X when I differentiate 1. That's it pa. So whatever possible to cancel do it. Denominator x, numerator x we cancelled. In both the place we have a minus common. You can take outside. Minus if you take outside na, what we can mention? Sine of log x plus cos of log x whole divided by x square. That's it. So this is our required what is the derivative for question number 10. This is question number 10 ma. That's it. Question number 10 answer over. And question number 11. Question number 11. Write fast, Raja. Question number 11. See, they given y and we have to prove this result. Double derivative plus y equal to 0. Very simple question only. Okay, easily we can go. First I am taking the y. Y is equal to, what is that? 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Very easy to differentiate. Easily you will be getting answer. Just differentiate with respect to x. Why? Because here we have a dx square. By after looking that only what variable we have to use for differentiate you comes to know. So that differentiate with respect to x. When I differentiate dy divided by dx is equal to 5 multiply constant. Nothing will happen for it. Multiply constant, nothing will happen. Cos derivative what na? Minus sine. Cos derivative what? Minus sine. Minus 3 into sine derivative what? Sine derivative what? Cos x. Sine derivative what pa? Cos x you will be getting. Now what is the simplification pa? What is minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. That's it. This is what? Dy divided by dy divided by dx. Dy divided by dx. Now again you have to differentiate because double derivative only they asked it. Again differentiate with respect to x. So when I differentiate d square y divided by dx square equal to minus 5, let it be as it is. What do you think about sine derivative ma? Sine derivative what pa? Cos x minus 3 into cos derivative what ma? Minus sine. Cos derivative what ma? Minus sine. That's it. Now simplify pa. Minus 5 cos x minus into minus what pa? Plus 3 sin x. That's it. Okay. Now I need actually here see children. I need d square y divided by dx square plus y. Means y term I need. Y is what? 5 cos x plus 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. So if you take minus from here, you will be getting the y, I hope. Minus you take, so that minus 5 became plus 5 cos x plus 3 became minus 3 sin x. Now see what is this? What is this? You can notice this is question. You can notice that is what, my dear? Question. Okay. So that question now what is the question? Question is given as a y. So that minus y, when you bring to opposite, what you will be getting? What you will be getting? Yes, plus y. Okay. What you will be getting? Plus y. Therefore, d square y divided by dx square minus y when you bring opposite plus y equal to 0, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. That's it. So be careful. And some teacher they will be taking this answer they will be taking. Here they will be substituting, and then plus y means what they will substitute here. After cancel everything, 0 comes in. Okay, left hand side, right hand side proved. Like that also they will prove some teacher. That is also correct. That is also correct. But substituting this here, y also you have to substitute to cancel. Lot of steps it will take. Understand? So this, if you like that, you do it. Not an issue. Okay, that is also correct. That is also correct. That is also correct. 11th one over. Next, 12th one will go. Shall we start, Raja? Right. Next, 12th one. From 11 onwards, 3 more question started, Raja. Okay, 3 more question they will be asking. So y equal to what they give? Cos inverse x. Find d square y divided by dx square in terms of y alone. Listen, there is a check, listen. So directly if you differentiate, answer and all what you will be getting generally, whatever they gave, directly if you differentiate, now answer will be coming in terms of x only. Listen carefully. What you will be in terms of x only you will be getting. Okay. So here also if you differentiate in terms of x only you will be getting. Directly if you differentiate. But in the next question they asking d square y divided by dx square in terms of y they asking. Why? So that what do you do? Don't do it directly. Differentiate. Don't do directly differentiate. Apply cos function on both sides. Apply cosine function. Cosine only, cos they will say. Understand? Apply cos or cosine function on both sides. So what you will be getting on both sides when you apply? So cos y you will be getting here. When you apply cos left hand side, cos y. Then cos inverse will cancel. So what you will be getting? X. What you will be getting? X. Okay, right. Now you differentiate. X will be a 1. Okay, x will be a 1. Now you differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Cos when I differentiate minus sin y. Y when I differentiate with respect to x, dy divided by dx. X I differentiate with respect to x, it will be 1. Then I need what? Dy divided by dx now. The minus sign, it is in multiplication. When you send opposite, divide minus sign y. What do you say? 1 by sin pa? 1 by sin, what do you say? Cosecant y. Again when you differentiate with respect to x on both sides, what I am getting, d square y divided by dx square is equal to, what is cosecant derivative ma? Minus we have. What is cosecant derivative pa? Minus cosecant into cot. Okay, so minus in, see, minus cosecant into cot. So actually cosecant derivative what? Minus cosecant into cot. Later what we have to differentiate? Y. So y if you differentiate, what you will be getting? Dy divided by dx. Be careful, I thought it is a x. Okay, so that dy by dx na, what you will be getting here, d square y divided by dx square, which is equal to minus into minus plus cosecant y into cot y. What is dy by dx we have here? What is dy by dx we have? Minus cosecant y. Now see children, this cosecant will be multiplied. So plus into minus minus cosecant square y into cot y. Is it okay now? Yeah. So be careful. I thought it is a, I didn't notice that it is a y. Okay, generally cosecant square derivative minus cosecant into cot, so we stopped there. Later variable we should differentiate, that we didn't notice. Be careful children. When we have a different variable, when you differentiate, be careful. That's it ma. This is over. Now question number 13 will go. Shall we go 13? By side. Okay, va. Question number 13 also like same only. Listen, when I'm giving introduction of this derivative, I gave what about y2, what about y1? I gave it. What is y2? What is y2 I said when I'm giving derivative? Y2 means what I said? Double derivative meaning I said. Have you remember? Y2 means what I said? It is a double derivative meaning. So that y1 means what I said? It is derivative of 1 I said. That is they gave in a question. Okay, y base 2. Y base 2 na, it is a meaning of a what Raja? Double derivative meaning. Understand? Don't forget. Now take the y. Y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. So angle is what? Commonly angle is what? Log x. Now differentiate, normal derivative. Differentiate. Nothing is mentioned now. What is the function? What is the variable that you can take with x here? So that y, when you differentiate, write y1 or y. See, dy by dx you can write, but in question they mentioned y1, so I'm going. When you differentiate y, it became y1. Okay, 3 into cos. When you differentiate what ma? Minus sign. So minus I'm giving in front. Sine of log x. Cos derivative sine. Now again log derivative what ma? 1 by x. Again x derivative what ma? 1 plus 4 into sine derivative what ma? Cos. Okay. Now again log derivative 1 by x. Again x derivative 1. Be careful. Now in all the places we have a denominator x. Here also divide x, here also divide x. So divide x I'm writing. Numerator what we have? Minus 3 sine of log x plus 4 cos of log x you can write. That's it. Here we have y1. Y1 here. So divide x you can send this side. So x into y1, which is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Why I brought here uv, compared to u by v formula, uv is better. Easily we can go. That is what I brought this side. Now do it uv formula. Derivative of uv what? X derivative 1, y1 let it be as it is. Okay, be careful. Now x keep it as it is. Y1 when you differentiate, what it will be? Y1 when you differentiate, what it will be? Ma, y1 already dy by dx pa. Y1 already dy by dx. So y1 when you differentiate, what it will be? D square y by dx square. That we can write as y2. What we can write? y2. y1 derivative what then? y2. That is I said in the first page. That is I said in the first page. See, y1 derivative y2. Understand? y1 derivative what pa? y2. That is we are speaking. Okay, it's over now, which is equal to minus 3. Let it be. Sin derivative what pa? Cos. Cos of log x. And again log derivative 1 by x. X derivative 1 11. 4 into cos derivative what ma? Minus sin. So minus I will give here then. Minus I'll give here minus what minus this is? Cos derivative minus sin. That minus I'm giving. Sin alone I'm writing that. Again log derivative what? 1 by x. Enough. Again see divide x we have a same, so that we can write whole divided by x. Minus also you can take outside. So 3 cos of log x plus 4 into sin of log x. We can write this x you send opposite. X you send opposite. So it will multiply with whatever we have opposite. So x into 1 into y1 plus x into y2 means this I'm writing as it is pa. Okay, I'm not doing anything. X into, because x is going that side, minus we have. What do you think about the numerator? Have you noticed what it is? It is a question. Means what? Y. Means what, my dear? Y. So that y you can write. Now take the x multiple inside. Take the x. So x into y1, x into x square, y2, minus y when you bring opposite y, which is equal to 0. If you arrange accordingly what they asked, you will be getting first x square, next to x, next to y equal to 0. That's it. We have done. Okay. That's it. Is it okay the 13th? Right, fast. So one question I will be giving homework. 1 or 2 you should take, which is easy. What do you feel comfortable that you can? So that 14 and 15 same model. 14 I will be doing. 15 you take as your homework. Instead of A, what they given? 500. Okay, 14, 15 I will show. Both are same model. 14 and 15 both are same. So 14th one they gave A e power something, but 15 they give, instead of A 500 they give. If you want to try, you try, or else I will do, not an issue. Have you done? Can I go to next? Boy side pa. Which one we have to go now? 14 13 13 I did What I did now? 13 okay. So 14th I'm doing, just listen children. Y equal to, they gave something. Y is equal to A into e power mx plus b into e power nx. Children here m, n, a, b and all constant. M, n, a, b and all what, my dear? Constant. Very easy to go then. What they asking? This one we have to brought, it seems. Very easy to go. Double derivative we need, that's it. So that when you differentiate with respect to x, what you will be getting? Dy by dx. Okay. So a is a constant I said. Derivative of e power mx what? Derivative of e power ax what I said? E power ax into a. Have you remember this? Same then. Then derivative of e power mx, what you will say? E power mx into m. Like that. B into derivative of e power nx into n. It's very simple. Okay. Then again you differentiate. So this one you can write constant and all you will bring in front. So am e power mx plus bn x, let it be neatly because n also is there. So that bn into e power n x. Okay. Now this is what dy divided by dx. Again if you differentiate, Again, if you differentiate easily, you will be getting whatever they asked. So that d square y divided by d x square is equal to am is a multiply constant. E power mx when you differentiate e power mx into mx when you differentiate m you will be getting down like that. B n into e power nx when you differentiate e power nx power nx when you differentiate into n. So what I am getting a m square e power mx plus b n square e power nx. So all those, see directly I am not getting answer then pa. See children, directly I am not getting dy by dx answer 1, d square y by dx square answer 2. Both you take, substitute in a left hand side of what they expect. Left hand side of what they expect. Right hand side is 0 we have to bring. So left hand side what we have, d square y divided by dx square minus of m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y. So directly if you not get, you take like this. After substitute you make it that 0 you want to bring now. Okay, so that left hand side which is equal to d square y by dx square, answer number 2. Answer number 2 what we have here, we have that I am going to use a m square into e power mx plus b n square into e power nx minus m plus n minus of m plus n into dy by dx. dy by dx from answer number 1 we have. Answer number 1. Answer number 1 what we have, am e power mx plus bn e power nx plus mn into y. Y means what? Question again. Question what ma? That you have right. Little ma, wait ma, little I will make small. So what is that? Y means what ma? Question. Question what? A e power mx plus b e power nx. That's it. So you have to simplify pa. After simplify, you should get 0. This is not a problem. Let it be as it is. What is that? E power mx. Sorry. What is that? First a m square e power mx b n square e power nx. Now, children, this is m plus n. M plus n, if you multiple inside along with the negative, what I am getting? First minus m alone you take, multiply in both. Okay. So minus m into am na minus am square e power mx. M if you take to second place na minus b m n e power nx. Next n if you take, what I am getting? Minus n. It means n into am. So what I am getting? Minus am n into e power mx minus b n square e power nx. It's over. Okay. Now this mn you multiple inside. What I am getting? A mn e power mx plus b mn e power nx. Children, whatever common you can cancel carefully. First a square mx, a m square mx, m square mx plus minus I cancelled. Have you noticed it? Next, yes, this is double line I'm giving to understand. Okay, double line. Then different color I'm giving. Minus mn e power mx minus b mn e power plus, this is cancelled. Again double line. So for differentiate I gave like this. So what I am getting then finally 0. So left hand side I assumed right hand side is 0 I got. So left hand side equal to right hand side na, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. That's it. So whatever we made, finally we are getting 0. Don't say waste of time. Actually, that is they asked to brought 0 only. They asked to bring them, right. So we got it. 14th one is over. Next 15th one. Can I go 15th one, ra? 15th one homework only. But if you feel okay, I'm ready to go. What do you say? Can you take 15th one as your homework? Same manner you will be getting. Same steps, same procedure and all you have to do. but number will be coming big. Can you try or else I go? Okay, I'm going. Last. Wait, my last two question I'll complete. 15th one homework. This 15th one I'm giving homework. You people try. Wait, ma, else I'll go little fast. Why? If you are doing or not doing, then I want to think. Ma, 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. So when you differentiate with respect to x na, what I am getting? Dy divided by dx. 500 let it be e power 7x when I differentiate e power 7 into 7. 600 let it be e power minus 7x when I differentiate e power minus 7x into minus 7. So that 7 you can take outside. What I am getting? 500 e power 7x minus 600 e power minus 7x. Okay, this is dy divided by dx. Again you differentiate. Very easy to go. This is. Again if you differentiate with respect to x na, what I am getting? D square y divided by dx square is equal to 7 into 500 let it be e power 7x when I differentiate into 7 I am getting 600 let it be e power minus 7x when I differentiate minus 7 will be coming. Again if I take 7 outside I am getting 500 e power 7x minus and minus plus 600 e power minus 7x. So outside what Raja? D square y divided by dx square. 7 7s are 49. Have you noticed what is this? Question. What is this ma? Question. So that y. That's it. Just 49 y. Okay. This is 15th one. I will complete ma. Then you copy. Wait ma. I'll complete together. Then 16th one. 16th one. What do you see there, Raja? 16th one also same. Little easy only. Listen. So e power y into x plus 1 equal to 1. That is they are given. So if you want to send opposite x plus 1, you can send opposite. That is our wish. Okay. Or else uv I will use Sarna. You can use uv also, not an issue. So I'm going to use uv only. Means this one is a u. This fully I'm taking as a v. Differentiate Raja. E power y when I differentiate e power y. Y when I differentiate dy divided by dx. V x plus 1 as it is. Plus e power y let it be as it is. X plus 1 x when you differentiate 1 derivative what was 0 is equal to 1 derivative 0 again. So e power y when you take outside, sorry I need a dy by dx then what I am getting, okay, e power y let it be dy divided by dx into x plus 1 e power y into 1 na just e power y, that when you send opposite minus e power y. Now 1 e power y, 1 e power y you can cancel one time. So what I am getting here, dy divided by dx, here 1 minus 1 we have, x plus 1 when you send opposite, divide x plus 1 I am getting. Again you differentiate. Again when you differentiate, what I am getting? Again when you differentiate with respect to x, what I am getting? You will be getting that d square y divided by dx square which is equal to minus, let it be as it is. This is look like a what? 1 by x. Listen pa. They 1 by x derivative formula what ma? Derivative of 1 by x formula what? Minus 1 divided by x square. Am I right? So that this is fully x you want to consider. So that already minus outside. So minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square you will be getting. X plus 1 what you will be getting? Whole square. Okay, whole square. So that finally what I am getting? Minus into minus plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square I am getting. Okay, that's it. So which is look like a what? Dy by dx they asking. Yes, see here what they asked to write. Yeah, this one you can write 1 divided by x plus 1. The whole square you can write like this. The whole square you can write like this. They asking dy by dx whole square. So minus, if you square also it will be what Raja? Positive. So that in since this one you take answer number 1. In since you write 1 implies 1 says what? Dy divided by dx equal to minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Square on both sides. So dy divided by dx whole square which is equal to Minus will become plus when you square. 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square you will be getting. What you will be getting? Whole square. So that instead of this, what we can write then? What we can write then? Dy divided by dx whole square you can write. That is they asked to bring here. We got it. I hope you understand the 16th one. Is it okay? Is it okay, pa? Right. Next, the last question from this exercise. The last question from this exercise. 16th we have done, right? Yes. 17th last question of this. Listen, pa. So, what is that? Y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Now, differentiate carefully. We have a lot of term. Y2 na double derivative, Y1 na single derivative. So, differentiate this, pa. Differentiate this with respect to x on both sides, so that y1, when you differentiate one time y1, 2 into tan inverse x, that's it. Power 2 minus 1 you will be getting 11. Now again tan inverse x when you differentiate, 1 divided by 1 plus x square into x when you differentiate 1, x when you differentiate 1, that's it. Now what you do, denominator you bring this side, so that 1 plus x square into y1, which is equal to 2 times tan inverse x, that's it. This is our answer. Now again you differentiate. Again when you differentiate with respect to x, what I am getting, let's see. This is uv formula I am going to use, children. So that this is u, next one is as a v. Raja, first one is a u, second one as a v. Okay, uv formula you know very well. U dash in the sense 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x. Then v let it be as it is, means y1 let it be as it is, plus. Now 1 plus x square let it be as it is. Y1 when you differentiate what, ma? Very good. Y1 when you differentiate what, ma? Y2. Okay, which is equal to 2 also let it be as it is. Tan inverse of x derivative what, ma? Tan inverse of x derivative what, ma? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, derivative of tan inverse of x. If you want to write, you write here. Derivative of tan inverse of x, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, if you want to write, you write. Now again what you do? This you bring this side. So what I am getting then? 1 plus x square into 2x into y1 plus 1 plus x square into y2, which is equal to 2 into 1, 2. Now take this whole you multiply here. Take this whole you multiply here, what I am getting. So that 1 plus x square into 2x y1 plus 1 plus x square we have a twice. See here 1 plus x square, here 1 plus x square na. What I am getting? 1 plus x into 1 plus x square na, 2 times you will be getting in power y2, which is equal to 2. I hope we got it. Just we have to arrange little bit. Okay. Then accordingly power. First 1 plus x square whole square into y2. This one first I wrote. Next 2x first they wrote. Sorry, 2x. Yeah, 2x they wrote first. So that 2x I am writing. In multiplication order issue you can write. And 1 plus. After writing 2x first, then this, like that. Okay. That's it. So 2x into 1 plus x square into y1, which is equal to 2. That is they asked to write. I hope you people understand this everything. So this exercise over. Next miscellaneous exercise we have. I will come in the next video with the miscellaneous exercise. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.